Hey everyone, welcome back to my show. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to make something savory, and that is going to be taco stuffed shells. So pasta shells stuffed with taco meat and filling, and we're going to get going. I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 and turn my stove on. I've already cooked my shells. My shells are in here. Got my meat, so warm up the stove. We're gonna cook the meat. We're gonna add the taco seasoning. We're gonna add the cheese and the salsa and some cream cheese also to make it a little bit creamy. It's gonna make it taste really good. Okay, so I'm preheating my pan. We're gonna put the meat in there. 1 pound of meat, you can use hamburger, you can use turkey, you can use ground chicken, you can use whatever you like for meat. This recipe is pretty versatile. So we're gonna cook the meat. I'm using turkey today. Cook the meat, break it up so it's all cooked. This doesn't take long, maybe a few minutes, 5 minutes. This recipe sounds pretty good to me. I looked at all kinds of recipes for taco stuffed shells, and I kind of came up with this one on my own with different ideas from different people. So I thought this one would taste the best, but you can experiment with this.
I'm going to experiment when I get home.
Yeah, you are. You had lunch today.
We have to say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. That's right, I forgot about that. This really is a simple recipe and it works up quickly. Only needs 15 minutes in the oven. Just break up your meat with your spoon or whatever you're using to mix it up. It looks like there's going to be some water in here, so I'm going to drain some of that out. If there's a little bit of fat, it's okay. You don't need to drain anything. It'll make it taste better. A little bit of fat's good. It's in the taco seasoning, so 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. You can use a packet if you want. I make my own seasoning, so I'm just going to put that in there. Mix that up. Smells good already. Alright, then I have some chopped up cream cheese. I cut it up in little chunks. It's 4 ounces, so half a pack of cream cheese. And we're just going to let that in there, mix that up, and it's going to melt. That's going to make your mixture creamy. So now we're going to add in 1 cup of the salsa. You can use any kind of salsa you want. You like it spicy, get hot salsa. You like it mild, get mild. So about half of this I'm going to use. Mix that up. And that should be good. Turn down the heat to low. Alright, then we're going to take up some cheese. So about a cup of cheese, shredded cheese. This is cheddar. You can use any kind of cheese you want. Cheddar. They have Mexican blend cheese that's already shredded. Any kind. Pepper jack. You like it spicy? Use pepper jack. Whatever you like. That's why you can make this recipe your own. It's so simple. That's it right there. Turn the stove off. Then we're gonna fill our shells. We're gonna put them in this pan. I put a little layer of salsa on there so the shells won't stick. Now let's see, we'll get the shells. So just take your shells that you already cooked. I'm gonna put some filling in there. And put it in the pan.
So how many does that usually make, you know?
I do not know because I have not made this before.
Okay.
We will find out. I think there's like 40 shells in here. I think that's probably too much. This is a 12-ounce pack of shells, jumbo shells that I made, cooked. 12 ounces. Is that right? Yeah, 12 ounces. And you can change this up too if you don't want to have to spend the time stuffing your shells. Get the little shells, the little small baby ones, and then just mix them in with everything and bake it that way. That makes it still even easier. That one's ripped. Pretty good sized shells. Cheesy. You like cheese? You can put more than a cup in there. Make it as cheesy as you want. 6, 12, 13. We have 13 shells. So we have a lot of shells left over. I'll do something with those. So now we got this finished. We're going to take our casserole dish. You know what? No, I can't because I have no more meat. I was going to make more, but I have no more meat. Then we're just going to spread the rest of the salsa on the top.
That looks good.
Doesn't it?
It does.
And see how easy it was? I mean, you can make this for Aunt Sandy, Uncle Clem. Go home and tell her you made these.
I don't think she'll believe me.
You never know.
No.
And take the rest of your cheese.
As a matter of fact, she said, I can't wait till you come home with those.
Oh. Spread the rest of your cheese on there. That does look pretty good. All right. Let's stick that in the oven. All right. We're going to set the timer for 15 minutes. I think that looks pretty good.
Ooh, they do.
Okay. Here we have the shells. Scoop one out of here. That looks pretty darn good, actually. Oh, wow. That is pretty tasty. Very tasty. Very, very good. Highly recommended. So, okay, there you have it. That didn't take any time at all. Limited ingredients. That's what I'm trying to do here. Limited ingredients and tasty. What more can you ask for? I hope you all have a great, great New Year's.